The 1931 Citroën Kégresse Half-Track stands as a remarkable testament to the ingenuity of early 20th century engineering, blending groundbreaking design with the promise of adventurous expeditions. Built around a revolutionary system invented by French engineer Adolphe Kégresse, this half-track vehicle was designed to conquer challenging terrains that traditional vehicles simply couldn't manage. Think deep snow, mud, and rocky landscapes. Recently restored to its former glory, this piece of history is now available for sale, offering its next owner the rare opportunity to own a piece of automotive ingenuity and embark on their own cross-country adventures. The story of the Kégresse Half-Track begins with the vision of Russian Tsar Nicholas II, who needed a vehicle capable of exploring the vast snowy expanses of Russia. In the early 20th century, traditional vehicles struggled in such conditions, which led to the creation of the Kégresse Track System. Unlike conventional tank tracks, which relied on heavy metal plates, Kégresse's design featured lightweight rubber-belted tracks. This innovative system provided superior traction and mobility without the need for immense power, making it perfect for traversing difficult landscapes. After the Bolshevik Revolution, Kégresse returned to France, where he struck a deal with André Citroën to license his system. Citroën's adoption of the Kégresse system resulted in the creation of the Citroën Autokennel, or Caterpillar car, which went on to make a significant impact in various overland expeditions across Africa and Asia. Its lightness, quiet operation, and unparalleled off-road ability made it ideal for both military reconnaissance and civilian exploration. The 1931 Citroën Kégresse Half-Track currently up for sale is a rare, meticulously restored model that showcases the vehicle's original design. This left-hand drive, open-top vehicle is finished in a classic green with natural wood accents, offering a nostalgic look back at the era in which it was created. Its front wheels are used for steering, while the rear features an articulated bogie with rubber-belted tracks, the hallmark of Kégresse's system. Inside, the vehicle remains true to its utilitarian nature, with a simple, Spartan cockpit. Two black vinyl seats provide basic comfort, and the controls are minimal, focusing on functionality rather than luxury. The Kégresse Half-Track's ruggedness is evident throughout, with an emphasis on durability and performance over aesthetics. Beneath the vehicle's vintage exterior, the Citroën Kégresse Half-Track is fully operational. It is powered by a Citroën 4-cylinder gasoline engine that produces a modest 12 horsepower, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. While its top speed of 28 miles per hour might seem slow by modern standards, it is more than sufficient for a vehicle built in the 1930s, especially considering its primary role was cross-country exploration rather than speed. The restoration of this particular half-track speaks to its resilience and enduring appeal. Purchased in the 1980s in a state of disrepair, it was carefully restored by the current owner's father, who meticulously repaired the tracks and overhauled the engine. Since then, the vehicle has been maintained with great care, ensuring that it remains in prime condition for its next owner. With its rich history and unique appeal, this half-track is an excellent addition to any collection of vintage military or off-road vehicles. Currently available for sale in Devon, UK, the 1931 Citroën Kégresse Half-Track is priced at £49,995, approximately $60,883. Along with the vehicle, the sale includes a pair of spare front tires and a folder of maintenance records, ensuring that its next owner has everything needed to keep it in top working condition. This iconic half-track is not just a vehicle, it is a time capsule, a glimpse into the past, and a dream machine for anyone who is passionate about cross-country expeditions and historic vehicles. The Kégresse Half-Track's unique design, combined with its remarkable restoration, makes it a standout piece for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Whether for display, driving, or taking on rugged adventures, the 1931 Citroën Kégresse Half-Track offers a truly unforgettable experience.